Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan SEL. Finished here in this beautiful blue color, a new color for the Tiguan known as Atlantic Blue Metallic. This one has your sunroof. It's a really well optioned Tiguan, one of the nicest I've seen in a long time. I didn't even say the price. $35,374, which is pretty impressive for the amount of car you're getting. Go ahead, hop inside, move it over into the rain so we can take a look at the interior. See, virtual cockpit. Yeah, not bad at all. Just panoramic sunroof. All your different options. Off-road information. You do have somewhat of gesture control where you put your hand close to it. It will kind of pop up some of the sub menus. All the degrees of steering. That's pretty cool. I like that. I do believe this has the 2-liter 4-cylinder, same 2-liter as what's in a lot of other Volkswagens. Yeah, 2-liter turbo. No real lag or anything like that. Have a bunch of different drive modes. You have custom, snow, off-road, and then in normal you can go ahead and choose a bunch of different modes from there too by pressing the middle button on the mode selector. Auto start stop is standard, of course. You go ahead, push a button, and deactivate it. Brake pedal's very progressive, not too bitey on the initial press, but it builds up braking force pretty quickly. Sitting position's pretty high up there, actually. No. Handling wise, it's not bad at all. Obviously not a sports car in in any way, but with the Torquey 2-liter, the Pirelli Scorpion Verde, I think, are the tires that are on this. Very, very good tire. Good amount of mechanical grip. If you're in sport mode and you want to go into normal drive, you just push down on the shifter. You also do have a manual mode, just bumped over to the right. All in all, 2021 Tiguan, just as good as it was before. Good amount of fun, plenty of power, awfully comfortable. Materials in here are all soft touch. It's very, very nice. I am a huge fan of these things, and they just keep getting better and better. Now if they made a Tiguan R with like the Arteon's 2.0 or Golf R motor, it'd be sick. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.